about after 12. And me knock the door. I want me knock the door. Me have to tell God don't him say everything put in now interrupt me talk my story. I come and knock the door. Pam 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 pam. I want me knock the door. She pull the door. I'm say, I'm ready for go my bed, you know. I want me say I'm ready for go my bed. The man have an audacity. I try to take away himself to come out. The man I try to take away himself to come out of the room. I know what she do? Push me out of the room. She pushed me out of the room and join her man and lock the door. So if I like them, the mama day. What make I like a mother like that? The man push me out of the room, join her man and lock the door. The man push me out of the room, join her man and lock the door. Me never forget. Me never forget that night there. Never forget that night there. But walk with it up until now. I mean a big woman. I just bygones, me make bygones be bygones. Make sometime I chat to her. Me call one day she come and tell me say she want to do her ultrasound and me give her the blood clot money for go do it. You know what I say? The woman push me out. Me not in her blood clot house, bitch. Me not in her house. She not buy no house. She buy house. Me not in her house, miss. Me not in her house, we live in a family house. The house belongs to our father and mother. Me not in her house, miss. She not one house. Then me could have in her house and I chat to you like you're stupid. At your house you can't make the mat says wipe her foot. And I want to listen to the night. I think beer big store and the things them. I must art them time I live at Wildman Street. I may walk from Seaview that 3 mile. And when I reach at 3 mile, I see a man slow down on my foot. I must say big guy drive that 3 mile no. I got a Wildman Street, so I reach one and tell my granny see a 2 enough and they tell her no go.